Hey guys, welcome to my channel guys. In the last video, we have understood that how Java works and we have explained the concept of why Java is called platform independent. We discussed that when we write our Java code, we write it in the form of .java file. Then when this .java file is compiled, we get bytecode. And this bytecode is easily interpreted by different JVMs of the different platforms. So that's why this JVM makes it platform independent. Okay, this bytecode and JVM together makes it platform independent. Okay, so let's see what's next concept discussed in this book. So here we can see a brief history of Java. Okay, guys, I'm not going to go into the details of history of Java, as we have seen even after Java 5.0, there are many more versions with more classes and more functionalities, built-in functionalities. So I'm not going to read it because you can simply go and check it on the Oracle website. You can see what is the latest JDK out there. So you can see that. Okay. Then here they have simply given uh, some examples how Java looks like. Okay, uh, so we can see here. Okay, guys, if you don't understand these syntax and these snippets at this point of time, you don't have to worry. We will cover everything one by one later. Here they have given it only for, like to start, to give you an overview how code of Java looks like. So the first line you can see int size equals to 27. So here they have declared a variable which has a type of integer and which has a value of 27. Then we have a string class in Java. So here they have declared string name is equals to Fido. So this is how we declare variables in Java. Okay. Then dog, my dog is equals to new dog. Then in bracket we have passed some parameters. So this is how we create objects in Java. Here the dog is the class, my dog is the object, and this is the syntax equals to new dog. This is how we create object. Okay. Then here we have new variable which has this operation called size minus 5. Then they have given the example how we use loops in Java. So here they have used if x, the value of x is less than 15, this particular operation has to be performed. Then they have given the example of while loop. Okay, when while the value of x is greater than 3, my dog dot play. Here play is must be a method of this particular class. Okay, the dog is the class here, my dog is the object, and my dog dot play, here play is the method of this particular class. That's why we are able to call it using the object of this class. If you are not understanding it right now, don't worry, you will get to know very easily in some time. Okay, then here they have given the example how we declare an array in Java. Okay, then how we uh, you know print something in Java. Okay, system is a class here, and print is a method here, out is an object here. So system dot out dot print, we can print anything on our console in Java. Okay, and then again they have used this primitive class. We will learn about primitive classes as well, and why we use this, we will cover everything. Then they have given the example of try and catch. So try and catch, we will discuss this, we will get to know about this when we will be learning about exceptional handling in Java. So you don't have to worry about anything, I'll be explaining everything in detail in upcoming lessons for sure. They also have given these for a brief overview for you all to understand that how Java looks like. Okay, here they have explained everything you can. I have already mentioned about each line. They have given here what in each line, what does it mean in Java to write like this. Okay, so you can go through in your book and let me know if you don't understand anything till here. Okay, let's see what is further. Okay, now we'll be seeing the code structure in Java. Okay, so in the first video, I have told you that in Java, we write our source file, and our source file is basically our class. Okay, so you can see this diagram here. First of all, this overall package is called the, not package, package is a different thing in Java. This overall, this file as a whole is called source file, and inside this source file we have this second class file, and then inside this class file we have different methods, and then inside these methods we have different lines of codes which we want to execute, different statements. Okay, so first of all, what goes in source file? A source code file with the .java extension holds one class definition. The class represents a piece of your program, although a very tiny application might need just a single class. The class must go within a pair of curly braces. So when you'll be writing your class in Java, you will write this public is access modifier. Just don't worry about it right now. So we declare class with this keyword class, and then we start our class name with a capital letter. Here in this example, it's dog. What goes in a class? A class has one or more methods. Okay, inside the class we write different methods. It can be one or two, and the methods are also declared using this syntax. We write, this is the void, means that this method has no return type. For example, inside this method I write some piece of code and the return type is integer. So here in place of void I would have written int. So right now it has no return type, so I have written it void bark, and we declare it using these brackets and opening curly braces and an ending curly braces. Inside this we have a piece of code, and then what goes inside the method I have already told you. Suppose let me give you an example. Suppose we have some variables here, a, b, and c. So inside this we can perform some operation like sum of two variables a, b, or the multiplication of two variables. So whatever our requirement is, we'll be writing in these statements. We will see the example for sure. Okay, this is very basics for now. Just go slowly, you will get to know everything. Okay, let's see here anatomy of class. In class, what each word, each keyword stands for. Okay, so again, see guys, they have also written here this here. Don't worry about memorizing anything right now. This chapter is just to get you started. So don't worry if you're not able to, memorize these terms for now. You will be fluent soon enough. Okay. So first of all, when in this example, there is one class declared, public class, my first app, open, braces open, and then inside this we have this method, public static void main, and then in these as a parameter here we have this string, okay, array of a string which is string, and then system.out.println. Okay. Then you see this public, this is access modifier. It means this class is accessible, sorry, this class is accessible to everyone inside a particular package. Okay. We will cover all there are other access modifiers as well, public, private, and protected. Okay, so we will cover one by one each in further lessons, so don't worry about it for now. Then this is the class declaration, then this is the name of the class. Okay, then again this is access modifier. This is the static keyword. We will learn about what static mean when it comes with a class or a variable or a method. Right now here the main method, our static comes with our main method. So we will cover this in a completely different topic, that what actually is the feature of this public static void main method and why this method has to be static. We will cover this in a particular video. Okay, then this void means I have already told you, it means that this particular method have no return type, and this is the name of the method, and this is the arguments to the method. Okay, this method must be given an array of a string, and the array will be called args. Then this is opening brace. Then this is how we print on the console. Okay, then we must know that every statement in our Java code must end with a semicolon, otherwise it will give you a compilation error. Okay. So this is the anatomy of the class. Okay, I'm going to end this video, this lesson here. We will understand the next topic in the next video. Please let me know if you have any questions related to this video in the comment section. I will surely reply that. Thank you. Bye.